Today we're going to be talking about the lateral pillar bridge, which is a postural strengthening exercise through stabilization of the shoulders, hips, and torso. Through active static contraction of these muscle groups, we will improve postural strength and hopefully decrease back pain. So, in order to cue up this exercise properly, you need to get your client into a side-lying position. We're going to ask that they have their elbow right below their armpit. Driving through that elbow, they will raise their top hip to the ceiling. We want a straight line from head to toe, so they need to keep the shoulders retracted, leading the way with the chest and belt buckle for a straight line through the shoulders, hips, and torso. If your client is unable to perform a proper lateral pillar bridge, we can regress it by bending the knee to 90 degrees so that their lower half of their leg is perpendicular to the body. We've shortened the lever arm, making it more manageable for them to lift their body weight to the ceiling, again by driving through the elbow, raising the hip upward. Shortening the lever arm makes this movement much more manageable. Now that we've discussed a regression, we can move on to a progress version of the lateral pillar bridge. First, a side-lying position, we can drive again through the elbow, raising the hip to the ceiling, and also abducting the top leg, thereby increasing glute med activation of not only the bottom leg, but the top leg as well. We can increase the difficulty by adding an external resistance through a mini band. Around both ankles up to the knees, about 1 inch above the knee to be exact. We'll first have them perform the lateral pillar bridge in a bent leg position like we did from the regress version, but now with an external resistance. So again, go ahead and drive through that elbow, raising the hip to the ceiling, and now let's also abduct that top thigh. Now we've increased the resistance on the glute med through the use of an external resistance in the form of a mini band. We can make this even more tough by moving that mini band down to the ankles. Increasing the length of the effort arm now, still with an external resistance, we can go back to that straight leg abduction of the top hip, making it even more difficult. This lateral pillar bridge is a great exercise to increase postural strength, but also has been shown to decrease back pain. And that was the lateral pillar bridge.